because the Hey Boutex almost derailed my vacation here, but thank God I still got these hands, literally and figuratively. And the best part about this style is I figured out a way to do it without leave out. So let's get right into it because Hotbraids has their ear to the street. And what I love about their new kit is it comes with wefted hair and braiding hair, so you do not have to be running around trying to find hair to match your weft. This kit also comes in a variety of textures and lengths for every single girly out there. And you can reuse your braiding hair and your wefts. I mean, who got money to waste? So I decided to do a bleach bath because I wanted my curls to look as juicy as possible. I was going on a cruise with Virgin Voyages, their very first all creator cruise. It was a lituation, but I just didn't want the bleach to, challenge the integrity of the curls. And I think that this bleach bath, which is basically developer, bleach, and shampoo to dilute it, did its job. My curls were popping. It was giving ocean breeze, palm trees, back shots on the balcony. You know what I'm saying? And of course, you guys know my traditional Adore stack. And this is what the hair looked like fresh out the bleach bath. And I just decided to dunk her in and out, in and out. Yeah, at this point, this is just my signature color. I don't know where I'd be without her. So I just wanted to make sure that the color was fully saturated because if you do not, sometimes you get like a little patchy blend. Now, this was the part, child, that almost sent me to the upper room. Corn rolling my hair. And I mean, this, my face was exactly how I was feeling. My arms were on fire. I was just questioning my choices at this point, but surprisingly, this went pretty fast. I just didn't focus on perfection. And I think, like, for all of my seasoned girlies, we tired, right? But sometimes you got to take matters into your own hands because these stylists are so unprofessional. So, this is what we're looking like. I ended up stitching that little braid right up in there, and I left enough room at the top to be able to do 2 rows of cornrows. Now, I decided to do got to be in 2 caps and then I stitched the cap just because I already know that I get really hot. So it doesn't matter what I use, my caps always tend to roll out. Now, as you guys can see, all I needed was 2 wefts, honey. Two. And I just put glue on 2 wefts at a time. You guys can see my placement here. But I just was so obsessed. When I did get to the top, however, I split my wefts because I wanted more coverage and I didn't want to risk running out of hair. So if you tend to be a girly who doesn't do well with planning out or mapping out her tracks, make sure you just get an extra bundle just in case, child. But this too worked just for what I needed. And if you're doing like a half up, half down, that should work too. But as you guys can see, I'm sectioning out my braiding area and this is just going to cover the tracks. I am obsessed with this castor oil braiding gel and I just started braiding my hair down and then adding it or feeding in the human hair. And this was so easy. This was the easiest part actually. Next time, I don't think I'm going to do the not cornrows, the box braids on the edge. That one braid that I'm doing right now, I literally had to take out on my trip. I think my hair was just too fine. It was too heavy. And when I say ocean breeze, when we hit the Bahamas, honey, that wind was blowing and it was trying to take that little braid out. So we're at the final stretch now, and I'm just adding that braiding gel right to the roots of my hair. Now, I love this gel. If you're a girl that has psoriasis, this does not cause any flaking or itching, and that is just a top tier product to me because I feel like all of the gels and jams that are used at these braiding salons, I have to literally go home and wash my hair, like fresh braids, fresh wash, because it'll just be a waste in a week. So we are done, honey. It is given voluminous. Look at that. Look at that. You did that. And yeah. All right. So now I'm going to define these quills because, we love the volume, but that's giving Shaka Khan. I want to give, I told you, ocean breeze palm trees. So I am going in with the Dew Mousse Def, and I'm just going in with my fingers, making sure I'm getting the root all the way to the tip using my favorite Denman brush. I think this is as old as my YouTube channel. If you've been here since '07, baby, that's how old that brush is. Yes. And I'm just going through raking, doing a little shingle. I was actually having some wine with my best friend here. It was just so fun having a body double. Like, as a neurodivergent girly, doing my hair feels like the biggest task ever. And having my girl right there, amazing. So I just scrunched her. And honestly, I was planning on going to bed, y'all, because I was just like, it's late. Believe it or not, it was like 12 o'clock here. It's giving morning. So I'm just doing some basic cutting. I didn't really want to do too much here. I really wanted the hair to do all the talking for me. Now for my actual scalp, I'm going to use Mazzani mousse. I just don't have any experience with the dew on my natural hair. I'm pretty sure it's amazing. But Mazzani, honey, we got her story. So I'm going to use that to lay my baby hairs to prep for the styling of it the next day. And I'm going to just put my scarf on. these baby hairs are set, we're gonna set it and forget it. And I love this slip. This is a full silk scarf, and I just love how this lays my hair down, and it does not move. Okay, this scarf, it don't move. And I'm just gonna let this chill overnight. I'm gonna put a bonnet on top, and I literally woke up the next day to get it cracking. Okay, now you're gonna see this. Boom, look at that transition. Ow. So you guys like that? Yeah. Anyway, this is the finished product. I'm obsessed with my hair, guys. I felt so sexy, chic, and young. This was definitely like, she still got it. Auntie who? Auntie where? Find her for me, and she can report to the front of the class. Now, I'm obsessed with this hair texture. I'm obsessed with the color. Look at how fluffy. Oh my God. Anyway, let me know what you guys want to see me do next. Bye.